Here are some quick steps on how to change your font in your Apple Mac computer. So to download the fonts, it's simple. This website is very useful. It's free to use. I'll leave a link to it down in the video description down below. But once you find the font that you like on this website, you just select the download icon on the right hand side. When you select the download icon, just to download the file, but it'll be a zip file. But once you have that, go ahead and go to your Finder app and find the zip file, double click it to unzip it. And once you double click it, you'll see another folder open up. So go ahead and open up that folder. And within this folder, you'll actually see the fonts that you downloaded. Now you can just double click it, bring up this other window here. This is the quick step. You can just select install font. You do this for individual fonts, but say if you have like 2 or multiple fonts you want to install all at once, you can go to your search icon on the top, type in font book, but when you start to type up font, you'll see it populate there. So you can just go ahead and select it. It'll bring up the font book. Then after that, you just drag and drop whatever fonts you downloaded to the font book, and then that's it. It automatically installs them. You don't have to do anything extra. You can like double check it if you like to make sure it's there, but it'll be there. All right, if this helped you out, let me know. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.